Where are we going, Axel?
We are going for a mountain air adventure.
Where to?
And we are going to North Barrier Lake and about. We're going to try and see if we can get in. Because last time we found snow.
Yes, and we finally brought Lamborghini. It zoomed in too much.
Action.
Well, tested my new phone out for one thing, thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Well, we came across this tree. Axel's gonna figure out how we're gonna get over it. What do you think, Axel? Do you think we're gonna make it through now? You know it. We built up. Here we come. Hope it doesn't slide. Okay, we had to come back from there because it was way too deep.
Huh? Oh
Whoops.
shit. Here we go
Well,
again.
airborne. Okay, we gotta get us out of this one. I don't know. Yee! Yeah! Zoom on this phone is amazing. That was hard to follow it. Okay, here we're done.